So Kai is going to demonstrate how to do our warm-ups. He's going to pound dribble all the way there. Then he's going to skip back, doing the pound dribbles back. Next is our stagger dribble. He's a little rusty. And then he's going to skip back. The skipping back kind of gives them something to think about and something to keep their them going. All right, windshield wipers. Same thing back. And we call this one the retreat dribble. So he's going to dribble up 2, or is it 3, Kai? It's 3, 2, and then 1 back. And that is our warm-ups.